Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a simple breakfast recipe. It's called Puliogare. Here I'm going to make it without onion and garlic. I hope you like this recipe of mine. So keep watching. To make this, we would require 5 cups of cooked rice. Along with this, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 dried red chilies, a teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of groundnut, 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp, 3 tablespoons of ready-made Puliogare masala, salt to taste, and also half cup of water. So these are the ingredients that are required to make this breakfast recipe. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil, and once hot, add the groundnuts. Fry them till they crackle open and turn light brown in color. Remember not to burn them. Once the groundnuts have changed their color, remove them in a plate and keep them aside. Into the same pan, I'm going to heat some more oil, and once hot, add the urad dal, mustard seeds, red chilies, and fry till the urad dal turns brown in color. I'm not going to over brown the urad dal, just turn it to golden brown. Once the color of the urad dal has changed, add the curry leaves and fry them for few seconds. Once the curry leaves are fried well, turn the heat to low and add the ready-made Puliogare masala and fry it immediately. Once it's well mixed with the oil, add only a teaspoon of the tamarind pulp and a total of half cup of water. Also add salt to taste. At this point, you can also add finely chopped coriander leaves. Now stir this well and allow it to get a boil. I'm going to boil this mixture till it turns thick and has oil floating on the surface. This would take about 2 minutes for me. Once I see the mixture turning thick and oil floating on the surface, I'm going to turn the heat to high and give it a good boil. Once it boils well for about 30 seconds, I'm going to turn off the heat and top the mixture over the cooked rice little by little. Give this a good mix so that the rice is combined with the mixture. You can mix this with a spoon or with a hand. I love mixing it with a hand because I find it easy to combine the rice with this Puliogare mixture. Once the rice is combined well with the mixture, garnish it with the fried groundnuts and fried red chilies. A yummy, tangy, spicy Puliogare rice without onion and garlic is ready to be served. You can serve this with curd or with coconut chutney or simple with pickle. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. I hope you liked it. Do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.